Good morning, students, and welcome back once again. And myself, Shumiran sir, and today I am here to teach you map pointing on geography. So, students, I hope that all of you have gone through my last video on Indian states, union territories, and their capital, as well as I have given you one practice set on their states and capital, and I hope all of you have done it. So today we will discuss about some new topic, that is nickname of Indian cities. You know that apart from the capital cities there are some other cities also in India which are known by several nicknames. Those cities may be the capital or may not be. So what are the nicknames of the cities and where they are located in India? So the location and the significance of the city I will discuss, and at the last slide I will show you the map and where those cities are located. So first one, see, Amritsar, Golden City. This is a well-known city and maximum of you have heard about this city. It is known as the Golden City. Okay, it is located in Punjab. So why it is called the Golden City? Because of the Golden Temple. The presence of Golden Temple, you have heard about Golden Temple, and the Golden Temple is one of the most sacred shrines of the world. And this city is known as the Golden City. Next one, Chennai. Chennai is called the Gateway of South or Detroit of Asia. Okay, so Chennai is located in Tamil Nadu in South India, and it is the gateway through Bay of Bengal. Through this gateway of Chennai you can enter to South India, as well as it is also called the Detroit. Detroit is an important automobile manufacturing center in USA, and accordingly it has been also named as Detroit of India because of the large scale automobile manufacturing unit is located in Chennai and aligned industry around the cities. Next is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is called the city of pearls or high-tech city. Why it is called the city of pearls? Because of the trading of pearls and diamond from the ancient times. It is a very important center for pearls and diamond. That is why it is called the pearl city. And it is also called the high-tech city. Why it is called the high-tech city? Because of the first IT hub or information technology centers are located. Major or many engineering consultancy firm are also located over there. It is also called the high-tech city. So Hyderabad, it is located in Telangana now. Previously it was a part of Andhra Pradesh, but after the division of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, now Hyderabad is located in Telangana. Next is Kochi. Kochi is a very important city along the coast of West Coastal Plain along Arabian Sea, and it is also called the Queen of Arabian Sea. Why it is called the Queen of Arabian Sea? Because you have heard about Kerala. Kochi is located in Kerala, and it is also called the Spice Garden. So in Kochi it is important for spice trading center. Okay, it maintained the trade network from 14th century with the Arabian merchant from the pre-Islamic era, as well as the Portuguese occupied this region in 1503, and it has become the first European colonial area. So it is also known as, that's why it is also known as the Queen of Arabian Sea. Next is Kanpur. Kanpur, it is located in Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the largest exporter of leather. That is why it is called the leather city of India, okay, or the world. Okay, so maximum large scale production of labor, and it export labor not only in different parts of India as well as in different parts of the world. That is why Kanpur is called the leather city of India or world. Next is Kolkata. It is a very common name to you. It is the capital of West Bengal. It is called the City of Palaces or City of Joy. Why it is called the City of Palaces? Because of the major buildings built by the British during the British Raj or the British era. Okay, and they are acting as a architectural proof. and it is also called the city of joy because the people of Kolkata like amusement, entertainment for its sole embodiment of culture, love, mystery, respect, enthusiasm, and some amazing delicious sweets also, which are found in Kolkata. That is why it is called the city of joy. Next is Jamshedpur. You have heard about Jamshedpur. It is located in Jharkhand. It is called the Steel City of India or Pittsburgh of India. Okay, Pittsburgh is an important iron steel manufacturing center, and here Jamshedpur is also an important iron and steel manufacturing or production center, and whatever it produces it exports in different parts of India as well as different parts of the world, the iron and steel. And this city has been named after Jamshedji Tata. Okay, Jamshedji Tata was the founder, or in the name of this city is named after Jamshedji Tata. Next is Bhubaneswar, the temple city of India. So why Bhubaneswar is called the temple city? Where Bhubaneswar is located? Bhubaneswar is located in Odisha. Okay, and because of more than 700 temples are located, it is also called the temple city, and all those temples keeps an complete record of Kalinga architecture. From several temples you can find the architecture of Kalinga era. Okay, so it is also called the temple city of India. Next is Bangalore. It is also a very common name. Okay, it is located in Karnataka. It is the capital of Karnataka also. So it is called the space city or the science city. Okay, Silicon Valley of India, as well as it is also called the garden city. So why it is called the Silicon Valley or science city? Because of the presence of major IT hubs, okay, for several IT companies. It is also called the Silicon Valley, named after the Silicon Valley in USA. Okay, because of the IT hubs or IT companies. It is also called the garden city. Why it is also called the garden city? Because of many green spaces around it, lush green garden and park. Okay, in the Deccan Plateau region in Karnataka, along Bangalore, you can find several green area. Okay, green spaces. So it is also called the green city. Next one, Mumbai. Okay, the economic or the financial capital of India, Mumbai in Maharashtra. Okay, it is the capital of Maharashtra also. It is called the city of seven islands. Major seven islands are concentrating around it. It is also called the gateway of India. In the picture also you can see the gateway. Okay, on Arabian Sea. It is also called the financial capital. Okay, so gateway for the ship coming from the Arabian Sea, it is called the gateway. Okay, it was built in the year 1911. As well as it is also called the financial capital or the economic or the commercial capital. Why it is called the financial capital or commercial capital? Because of the important financial institutions which are present over there, such as financial institutions such as Reserve Bank of India, the Bombay Stock Exchange, etc. Okay, so it is called the financial capital of India. Next is Jaipur. Okay, in Rajasthan. Many of us always like to visit to Jaipur. Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, all those cities in Rajasthan. You can see several palaces. So about the other city we'll discuss on other video. Now Jaipur, it is called the pink city. Okay, the entire city looks pink from any of the height of region if you found. So why it is called the pink city? Because the city is built of the pink sandstone, as well as Maharaja Ram Singh painted the whole city pink to welcome the guest. Okay, so Jaipur is called the pink city of India. Next is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad, where it is located? It is located in Gujarat, but it is not the capital of Gujarat. It is located in Gujarat. It is called the Manchester of India or the Boston of India. Okay, India's first World Heritage City, Ahmedabad. It is very much important, one of the heritage city of our country. As well as it's called the Manchester because of the Boston of India, because it is the second largest producer of cotton in India. Okay, and its stock exchange is also second oldest in our country. Okay, it produces maximum cotton as well as it exports the cotton to several other countries also. Okay, so it has been also named as Manchester of India. So these are those cities which I have discussed. Now those cities where they are located on map. Okay, so on what in this slide we will discuss where they are located on map. We have discussed about the cities, now their location. First is Amritsar. Where Amritsar is located? This is Amritsar. Amritsar is located in Punjab, in the Indo-Pak border region, because it is the city of Golden Temple. Next is Jaipur, we have discussed, called the Pink City in Rajasthan. Jaipur is located over here. Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. Where Kanpur is located in Uttar Pradesh, it is called the Leather City of India. Now Jharkhand. In the red dot I have marked city Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is called the Steel City of India. It is located in Jharkhand. Next Kolkata. Okay, at the bank of river Ganga. It is Kolkata. Kolkata is also called the City of Joy or the Palace City. It is in West Bengal. Next is Bhubaneswar. We have discussed about Bhubaneswar. It is called the City of Temples. It is located in Odisha. I hope many of you have visited in this region as well as the important temples which are located over there. Next is Hyderabad. Hyderabad, now it is located in Telangana. Okay, so Hyderabad is called the high-tech city or the Pearl City. It is located in the South Peninsular India in Telangana. Next is Chennai. Where Chennai is located? This is the state Tamil Nadu. At the coast, Chennai is located. It is also called the gateway of South India. Okay, through in the South India, we can enter in India through Bay of Bengal through Chennai. It is the capital of Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and Chennai is also called what? The automobile manufacturing center, that is the Detroit of India. Okay, next is Kochi. Kochi, where it is located? Kochi is located near the coast in Kerala. It is also called the Queen of Arabian Sea. I have discussed why it is called the Queen of Arabian Sea. So here is Kochi. Next is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. It is called the Silicon Valley or the Garden City of India. Bengaluru is located in Karnataka. This is the state Karnataka. Over here Bengaluru is located. It is famous for its IT hub. Next is Mumbai. Mumbai is located in the coast of Arabian Sea, and it is called the economic, financial or commercial capital. At where it is also called the gateway of India. It is one of very important city in our country. And next one is Ahmedabad, which one we have discussed at last. Ahmedabad is located in Gujarat. It is called the Manchester of India due to large scale cotton production over here. So these are the important cities and where they are located in India. Once you go through all those cities as well as take one blank map of state divided and those important city you practice. I have marked those cities in red color. You can use any other color because red is used by the teachers, so you can use 5 other color, and in capital letter you will write the name of the city and try to locate the city in the exact position. In the state, any of the area I have marked it dot, don't do that one. In the exact location try to mark those cities. Okay, so you will see the previous slides, the name of the cities and its important, as well as you will practice. So today up to this much. Thank you all and have a nice day.